Good evening, everybody, and thanks for checking in tonight here with us here on Ohio News and Weather. I'm forecaster Nicholas Dunn here with a look at your Columbus, Ohio forecast. Today's date is June 20th, 2017. Overall, not a bad day today. We got into the lower 80s here across most of central Ohio. Rain-free so far. That's about to change tonight. And we'll talk about the impact of Tropical Storm Cindy here in just a couple moments. First off, we're going to take a look at the radar here this evening. As you can see, current time's about 7:35 when we're recording this. A few showers and maybe a thunderstorm. Thunderstorms likely across southern lower Michigan near Hillsdale, back in towards Illinois. There's a couple different areas there, but otherwise, just some general rain showers starting to work their way to the south and east here this evening. By the time it gets here to central Ohio, I'm just anticipating general rain showers. Not expecting more than about a 10 to maybe a quarter of an inch for most of the area tonight. I don't even expect this to be a big problem. In fact, by the time you're off to work tomorrow, most if not all of this should be out of your neck of the woods. Let's take a look at Tropical Storm Cindy, though, right now, because she's looking pretty decent right now. Lots of convection to the north and east of the center. There's the center right there. Lots of heavy rain starting to move into the Gulf Coast states. We're starting to see some impacts around New Orleans, over to Biloxi and Mobile, over towards Tallahassee as well. The brighter purples that you're seeing here, the brighter the color, the colder the cloud top here on this infrared satellite, so the more concentrated the convection. You can see all the convections to the north and east of the actual center, which is represented right there. Look at the National Hurricane Center's track. For the next couple of days, is going to start to approach the Gulf Coast. It should not make landfall until late Thursday morning at this rate. It's a very slow-moving system. It will start to move up towards the Texas-Louisiana coast sometime Thursday morning. Blues from Houston over to New Orleans, that's a tropical storm warning. So see all the impacts will be east of what we like to call the cone of uncertainty. So don't focus on the exact dead center. It may go anywhere within this cone. But by Friday afternoon, it's starting to make its way northeast, closer to the Ohio Valley. It'll be a tropical depression. By that point, we'll have to watch for some impacts, for some rain. We'll talk about the extended forecast on that in just a few moments. But right now here in Columbus, it's pretty decent. Checking in John Glenn International, it's partly cloudy, 80 degrees. Feels like 80. Nice, decent, steady breeze right now in the southwest to get out and enjoy it. Low humidity levels today. Check that out, 37%. Barometric pressure checking just under 30 inches. And visibility, perfect visibility right now. We take a look at the regional temperatures across the area as of 7:20. We're seeing some upper 60s to our northwest where clouds and rain have started to move in. 68 in Angola, that's the cool spot. Muncie, you're checking in at 82. You're one of the warmer spots on the map this afternoon and this evening. Columbus, as I said, we're at 80. New Philadelphia, you're checking in at 78. Cleveland, you're checking in at 79. Across West Virginia, good evening to you. Parkersburg, you're at 80. And Ripley, you're checking in at 82. Here in Columbus, so if you're heading out for the rest of tonight, perhaps you're working third shift or you have overnight plans, we'll be dry through probably about 10, 11 o'clock. We'll start to see some rain showers move in after that. By 1 and 4 o'clock in the morning, we do expect scattered showers. I don't expect it to be a complete washout. 30 to maybe 40% coverage at best, and winds out of the west and southwest between about 5 to 10 miles per hour. We eventually fall down to 61 tonight with those scattered rain showers. Again, not going to be a complete washout. I would not cancel any overnight plans tonight. Just take the umbrella. I might have to dodge a few of those rain showers. In the morning, you're heading off to work. I expect a chance for a shower. Should not be widespread, about 30% chance of rain. Highs tomorrow in the mid-80s. I'm going with 85 here in Columbus. Winds out of the west at 5 to 10. We look at your extended forecast. We get into Thursday. The impacts of Cindy will start to be felt as we're seeing a chance of a few thunderstorms in the afternoon, along with some increased cloud cover likely as well. High right around 90. It can be hot once again, unfortunately. UV index checking at 10, so make sure we're wearing that sunscreen. Thursday night, we're in the low 70s for lows with scattered thunderstorms. Friday looking pretty wet right now, mid-80s for highs. And this weekend, we'll have to watch. This is where the low confidence part is right now. You see, we are at least giving a chance of rain on both days, albeit low right now, but highs checking in the low 80s for Saturday and Sunday. Sunday, the somewhat better chance of a few thunderstorms as a cold front is going to approach the area. Highs in the low 80s and the lows right around 60. Thanks for checking in, everybody, here this evening. We'll keep you posted on Tropical Storm Cindy and the impacts here that may be felt across the Ohio Valley. Keep it tuned to Facebook and your social media platforms. We'll keep you posted on the weather over the next several days. Have a good night, everybody.